Hello and welcome to SW News. This is the 6th day of Lockdown 4 and we at SW News are bringing you this special video series where we summarize the entire day's coronavirus updates in brief for you. So let us first begin with the global coronavirus cases and the death toll. Globally, coronavirus has infected 53,29,268 people and 3,40,500 people have died so far. In India, as of now, there are a total of 1,25,101 active cases of coronavirus. Meanwhile, 51,784 people have either been cured, discharged or migrated. 3,720 people have died due to COVID-19 in India so far. The corona report of 591 patients has come positive on Saturday. 163 of them are in Rajasthan, 97 in Bihar, 80 in Odisha, 60 in Assam and 47 in Andhra Pradesh. 10 more persons including 9 Mumbai returnees tested positive for coronavirus infection on Saturday, taking the number of cases in Himachal Pradesh to 179. Meanwhile, a 26-year-old man who returned to Manipur from Chennai recently by a special train also tested positive for COVID-19, taking the total number of active cases in Manipur to 25. Let us now move on to important news of the day. The international flight operation may start by mid-June or end July if the COVID-19 virus behaves in a predictable manner. That is what Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri today said during an online discussion with the public to clarify the norms governing calibrated restart of domestic flights from Monday. Puri said the government was working towards restarting a good percentage of passenger flights that have been grounded since the start of the lockdown to break the coronavirus chain of transmission. He asked why wait till August or September? If situation eases or improves, if virus behaves in a predictable manner, and we get used to coexisting with it, we are in a position to make arrangements. Why not start by June middle or end of July? Now, during his interaction, the minister also said that he did not understand the need to quarantine domestic flyers who show green status on the Arogya Setu app. He made a similar point during a press briefing on Thursday, during which he revealed the details of revised flight operations, including airfares. Now, his comments came after as many as 6 states mandated a compulsory quarantine period even for domestic flyers. Let's move on to next news. With domestic flights resuming from Monday, the Karnataka government has announced a 7-day mandatory institutional quarantine for passengers returning from 6 states with the highest coronavirus cases. These states include Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Delhi, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh. If the returnees test negative for COVID-19 in pool testing, they will be sent for home quarantine for another 7 days. Returnees from other low prevalence states will be asked to follow 14 days of home quarantine according to the standard operating procedure for entry of people from other states to Karnataka. That is what the statement issued by State Health Department on Friday said. The standard operating procedure allows home quarantine for pregnant women, children below 10, those who are 80 and above, and terminally ill patients along with one attendant if they test negative. In special cases like businessmen coming for urgent work, the quarantine period will be waived off if they give a report from a laboratory showing that they tested negative for COVID-19. The laboratory should be recognized by the Indian Council of Medical Research. The report should not be more than 2 days old from the date of travel. Let us move on to next news. The central government today said that more than 2,600 special trains have run till date and more than 35 lakh migrant workers have availed the benefits of these trains in order to return home during the coronavirus-induced lockdown. Railway Board Chairman Vinod Kumar Yadav said that 80% of the train journeys have been undertaken by migrant labourers of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. He said the Shramik special trains were started on May 1st. Free meals and drinking water are being provided to all the passengers. Social distancing and hygiene protocols are also being followed in trains and stations. Let's move on to next news. Chief Executive Officer of Niti Aayog Amitabh Kant said on Friday that the country could have done much better in the handling of the migrant crisis raised due to the imposition of nationwide lockdown to curb the spread of COVID-19. However, he blamed the state governments and not the central government for the crisis. He said it is important to understand that migrants issue was a challenge because over the years we have created laws which have led to a huge amount of informal workers in the economy. He said that this was the responsibility of the state governments to ensure that the workers were well taken care of. In a vast country like India, the federal government has a limited role. This was a challenge where I think we could have done a much better job of taking care of every single worker at the state, local and district level. Now that is what Amitabh Kant said. However, he refused to put any blame of the migrant crisis on the central government. That's all for COVID-19 updates today. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.